Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're going to be cooking Chinese sesame chicken. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. To start, you'll need a large resealable bag. Add the flour, half of the sesame seeds, Chinese 5-spice and red chili flakes. Shake it up to make sure everything is well mixed. Now place the pieces of diced chicken into the bag and shake it well to ensure everything is coated. You're now going to put a large frying pan on a medium-high heat. Add in the oil and wait for it to get hot. Now add in the chicken and brown it on both sides. This will take about 5 minutes as the chunks are quite small and they'll cook fairly quickly. Once it's done, take the chicken out of the pan and put it to one side. Now add the onion and peppers to the same pan. They should only take a couple of minutes to brown. Watch them carefully as you don't want them to burn. Once done, remove from the pan and put to one side. You're now ready to bring everything together. Reduce the heat on the pan to medium-low and add the chicken back in. Now mix in the teriyaki sauce, the remaining sesame seeds and honey. Mix it well to ensure all the chicken pieces are thoroughly coated. Finally, return the onion and peppers for a couple of minutes to ensure it's all warmed through. And that's it, a really delicious, sweet and sticky dish that's great to eat any day of the week. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.